Today's demonstrations are the result of what Dr. Tiffany Crutcher called a powder keg waiting to go off. Channel 8's Tyler Butler was with them from the moment it started, walking with the protesters the entire 6.5 miles to show us what he saw and heard along the way.
For today's demonstration, there was only one rule: keep it peaceful.
Say his name! George Floyd! Say his name! George Floyd!
The demonstration was organic, not following a set schedule.
We're mainly here to demonstrate. We're not here to protest. We're not here to riot. We're here to spread awareness, and we're here to show that you're not the only one on the couch thinking that what you've seen on the news or on social media is wrong.
The demonstration continued down Peoria, drawing out crowds from all nearby businesses.
I'm tired of seeing, to be honest, I thought of myself and I thought of my family, because I have a little brother who is black. Well, I myself am black, and I am tired of seeing my brothers and sisters being killed.
A mass movement of people driven by passion.
It means so much to finally see the community coming together.
Dr. Tiffany Crutcher noted that this crowd was made up of all races, all ages, all genders, all of them sending the same message.
To see the black people, unarmed black people, killed back to back to back, I think if you're human, you feel that. I don't care what color you are. If you're human, that's not normal.
The police stood on the sidelines diverting traffic, as we overheard one officer say they were protecting their right to protest. That message was heard loud and clear when they climbed onto I-44 and shut down traffic for at least half an hour. We've just acquired video of a man being hit by a car. You can see it there on the left side of your screen. That person reportedly hit when they started entering the highway and then was later hauled away by ambulance. That was about as violent as things got, despite a few men carrying rifles and shotguns and police standing close by. 5 hours after it began, the crowd began to disperse after some final words from Reverend Turner and Dr. Crutcher.
I am so proud of you all, because they thought we were just going to come and do an exercise and, oh, it'll be over soon. But guess what? We're here to stay.
The hope is that this showing of solidarity across the nation and here in Tulsa will finally make some effective change in generations of inequality. Tyler Butler, Tulsa's Channel 8.
The group is planning to meet up again tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the Greenwood district, and we will be there giving you live updates on everything that happens. There are also